Hello! Welcome to the GuideKnight YouTube channel. Precision plays a key role when playing first-person shooter, FPS, games, and Valorant is no exception. Being precise during a match can be pretty rewarding for players, not only for aiming but also for other aspects. The movement system alone is fun, but requires skill and practice to master. Actions such as bunny hopping and air strafing are quite common, and being able to hone your knowledge in using these movements can give you a significant advantage over your opponents. That's why it's essential for all Valorant players to have their movement under control. This is where the best gaming keyboards come in. Our team research and best advice of experts, we have select 3 best keyboard for Valorant in 2023. For you, the link of the products mentioned in the video are in the description below. If you want more interesting product reviews, visit our GuideKnight YouTube channel.
Shopping with GuideKnight as. Let's start with our top picks. Number 3. HyperX USB Alloy FPS Pro.
Ultra minimalistic 10 keyless design ideal for FPS pros. Solid steel frame provides durability and stability. Cherry MX mechanical keys for reliability. Portable design with detachable cable. Not intended for use on PS4 or other gaming consoles. To adjust volume, move keyboard to multiple USB ports to isolate possible host computer connectivity issues. Reset keyboard by pressing and holding FN and ESC keys for 3 seconds until keyboard backlight blinks. Game mode, 100% anti-ghosting and full in-key rollover functionalities.
Number 2. HyperX Alloy Origins Core.
The HyperX Alloy Origins Core is an ultra-compact, sturdy tinkerless keyboard featuring custom HyperX mechanical switches designed to give gamers the best blend of style, performance, and reliability. These key switches have exposed LEDs for stunning lighting with an actuation force, and travel distance elegantly balanced for responsiveness and accuracy. Alloy Origins Core is built with a full aluminum body, so it stays rigid and stable when keystrokes are flying, and also features keyboard feet that let you choose from 3 different tilt levels.
Number 1. Logitech G PRO.
Built with and for esports athletes for competition-level performance, speed and precision. Durable GX Blue Click switches deliver an audible and tactile click for a solid, secure key press. Ultra-portable compact 10 keyless design frees up table space for mouse movement. It's easy to pack up and transport to tournaments. Use LightSync to highlight keys and program static lighting patterns to onboard memory for tournament systems that don't allow G-Hub installations. 3-step angle adjustment for additional levels of comfort, plus rubber feet for excellent stability during intense gaming.
You are new here, subscribe our channel and like the video.